Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. And I'm so excited for this video because Colourpop launched a new palette or like a new collection like a week ago, and this is a Disney collection, so I'm so excited to try it out with you guys. I ordered it on Friday and it literally took like just a weekend to get here, so I'm really surprised by that. They were amazing delivering my purchase. I bought the princess thing, I think that's what it's called, the palette, and 2 lipsticks. I purchased the Belle lipstick and the Ariel lipstick. If you've been following me on my Instagram, which I'm gonna give you the link in the description box, I told you guys about this and I showed you the palette and the lipstick, but I didn't do any swatches because I wanted to wait for this video. So I'm excited to do that today with you guys, and I'm also gonna be preparing a look for you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna be improvising with it, and I'm gonna do swatches for the palette. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not following me on my social media, I'm gonna give you the links in the description box. Also, if you're not part of this family yet, click on the subscribe button to join this lovely family. And yeah, with no further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the palette, and this is like the box that it comes with, and it's a princess thing, and it's a Disney designer collection. So I really love this gold package. I think it looks really fashion style, because if you've seen the PR box, it has all the princess fashion style, like a runway. So I think that's really cool. It's not like the typical Disney theme and like a kid version, and like you can see they're like in a runway style, really like fashionable. It comes like with 6 princesses, and a lot of people have been complaining that Mulan is not in the palette, but if you guys know about Disney, Mulan is not a princess. Never married a prince, neither she was born in the royal land. Don't really know why people have been complaining of her not being in the palette or not being mentioned as a princess. On the inside of the palette, you have all the signatures of the princesses. So it was like if you had the signature book when you go to Disneyland or Disney World. The bottom 2 rows are shimmery shades, and the top one is a matte. So I'm gonna do some swatches so you can see the pigmentation, the formula, and the colors of each of them. The first one is called Chip, and it's like a really light pink. Then the second one is called Juju, and it's like a brighter pink. I think they are very pigmented. And then following that is Grumpy. So if you know the 7 dwarfs from Snow White. And then it's Trident with like a light brown between a pink and a brown. And then the last one is called Abu. Like you can see the comparison from this light brown and this one from Abu. Now the next shades are these ones right here, are the second row, the shimmery ones. And this one is the Prince Charming. It's like a shimmery between silver and blue. Then my favorite is this gold shade right here. This is called One Kiss. Then is this shimmery pink right here. And this one is called Fairy Godmother. And then this one right here, which is like a light gold. I think it could be really nice for the inner corners to highlight your eye. And this is called Ray, a silvery shade thingamabob, which is from Ariel. This shimmery black dark shade, and this is named Midnight Curfew. Then the next one, I love this name, it's called Beast, brown. And then this next one, it's a shimmery purple one. They're very, very pigmented. I love the formula. And this one is called Magic Carpet. This one is a lighter purple shade. And then this last one, ooh, I love this one right here. I love the shade. I love the glitter that it has in it, and this is called Enchanted Rose. The only thing that I wouldn't like about this palette is that it doesn't have a mirror. So if you're traveling with this palette, you would have to carry another mirror or another palette to see yourself while doing your makeup. But I really like the colors. You probably think that this is like not very surprising, or it is like any other palette, because the shades are very neutral and just like any other. For me personally, I really like doing my makeup for like an everyday look, really basic. So I think the shades are very, very nice for that. I don't use that many colors. So let's start with the look, and then after that I'll show you the 2 lipsticks that I bought. So I think I'm gonna start out by taking the shade Grumpy, and I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelid. just like a base and like a transition color. So far I don't notice any fallout or anything like that, at least with this eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna take this shade Abu right here, and I'm gonna apply that to the outer corner of my eye and kind of blend a little bit towards the middle. So this is also kind of like my transition shade. Now I'm going to be taking this angled brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take the shade Magic Carpet, which is this like purple shimmer shade that I showed you on the swatches. And I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my eye. And for this one, I do notice a little bit of fallout, so you can see right here under my eye. It had a little bit, tiny bit of fallout. Now I'm going to be taking a tiny bit of the Midnight Curfew right here. I know it's a little bit shimmery, but I want to darken a little bit more that outer corner on my eye, so I'm going to apply that. Now I'm just going like with my blending brush and kind of like clean all these lines. Now when I was doing the swatches, I really like the shade One Kiss and Fairy Godmother for shimmer shade. So I don't know which one I should pick, so I think I'm gonna, since I'm doing like a pink look, I think I'm gonna go for One Kiss so that not everything looks so pink, and I'm gonna just tap it on my eyelid. And I want to go back with my blending brush so that this kind of like combines. Actually, I think I want to go for a little bit of the Fairy Godmother and kind of apply like in the middle for that transition. The inner corner of my eye, I want to go with the shade Ray. I'm taking this angled brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm taking the shade Fairy Godmother, and I'm gonna apply that under my eye on my lower lash line. I love the pigmentation. It does have a little fallout, especially for those glittery shades. For the matte ones, they don't have that much fallout as the other ones, but I really like how this turned out. And now we can move on to the lipsticks, and I can show you the ones that I bought. I love that the boxes come so nice, and this fashionable princess, kind of like a runway style, on the shade Belle, which is the first that I'm gonna be trying out with this look. This is not the first time that I tried these lipsticks. I've already used them for the whole week just to see like how long they last, if they feel like very heavy or anything like that, but they actually feel pretty nice. It lasted the whole day. I was very surprised of how long it could last. Feels like if you had a lip balm on, but with color. So I really like this shade, and this is the one for Belle. Now the Ariel lipstick, when you open it, it has the same package as the other one. It has all the princess's signatures. So it looks something like this. This is something more natural, more light. I feel like on people with lighter skin it will look so much better. And I actually saw this one on Kathleen Lights. She's a YouTuber, and she also made a review on all of these products. So if you want to check out that video, I'm gonna give it in the description box if you want to see like look at her opinion, the makeup look that she made with the eyeshadows. So let me know in the comments what's your favorite princess or prince, or like any favorite Disney character. And also, if you've ordered this eyeshadow palette, let me know if you've got it already, if you're planning to order it, or if you like it or not. I would like to know your opinion on all of that. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking on the button down below. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.